Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that scroll all the way down, then go to device care. From here go to memory and give it a moment. That's it. From here you can check your memory details. Also if you want to clear your RAM or memory, just tap on clean now option. And you can see that will start cleaning your RAM or memory. So just give it a moment and the cleaning is complete. Now you can see in my phone available RAM is 2.5 GB. Now if you go back and then scroll down, here you can find some other options which help you to optimize your phone better, and that's it. Now if you go to home screen, you can also clear your RAM or memory from your home screen widget. Just touch and hold on the home screen, then just tap on widgets. From here scroll down, just tap on device care, and that's it. From here you can add any widget as you like on the home screen. Suppose if you want to add this widget on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the home screen, and that's it. So just tap here to clear your RAM. And it's complete. And that is how you can clear RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.